Thank you for joining me here. It has been extremely warm in my neck of the woods, so I decided to have an early morning breakfast outside before I do a bit of garden chores, and then you'll join me inside. It has been an extremely warm summer for so many people I know all over the United States. And I hope wherever you are, you're doing your best to remain cool and stay healthy as we move through this very warm time of the year. And this is diluted grape juice with some basil leaves. Even though these tomato plants do not have any tomatoes on them yet, for some reason they're falling over. So I decided to just tie this plant up to make sure that it's healthy and ready to sustain tomatoes that are coming in the next few weeks. Snip of oregano, Peruvian black mint, and now the brine made of lemongrass vinegar, sugar, salt, and water. And now I let this cool and am saving the seeds from the peppers to plant, Lord willing, next summer. And as before, this simple recipe can be found on my website as well as my Pinterest page called Everyday Recipes. Purchased this box at the thrift store about a year ago, and it was about $1.50. And I really liked the pink when I first saw it. But now that I'm changing everything over to be more greens and neutrals, I decided to do the same with this box. And so today I'm going to be painting it and changing its purpose, and that you will see. And since this is a matte green, I didn't really have to prime the box at all. It worked really well. I've been spending time in my arts and crafts area, just organizing everything because I so look forward to cozy months right around the corner. And this is a time that I spend doing a lot of crafts and, making unique gifts for friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.